Dear colleagues, we are thrilled to announce an exclusive hands-on practical workshop on endopeel combined with metabolic peels led by the esteemed Dr. Alain Tenenbaum and Mr. Mauro Tiziani. This exciting event will take place in a prestigious clinic in Zurich from October 11th to October 13th. The workshop promises to be an enriching experience offering insights and practical knowledge in a variety of languages including English, German, French, Italian, and Spanish. During this workshop, we will cover the most requested indications such as face and neck lift, cellulitis, pectoroplasty, gluteoplasty, arm lift, thigh lift, abdominoplasty, six-pack enhancement, biceps projection, trapezoplasty, and tip rhinoplasty. Each session is designed to provide you with hands-on experience and in-depth understanding of these procedures, ensuring you leave with valuable skills and knowledge. The number of participants for this workshop is strictly limited to ensure a high-quality learning experience. This means that registration operates on a first-come, first-served basis. We encourage you to secure your spot as soon as possible to avoid missing out on this unique opportunity to learn from the pioneers of endopeel. We are eagerly looking forward to welcoming you to Zurich for this exceptional workshop. Should you have any questions or need further information regarding registration, please do not hesitate to contact us. Don't miss out on this chance to advance your skills and knowledge in the field of aesthetic medicine. See you soon in Zurich.